Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process for the fully funded scholarship, that is Turkey Burslari Scholarship. After watching this video, all your queries regarding the form and application process will be cleared step by step and you will be able to apply for yourself. So you must watch the video carefully. Let's move toward the video. First of all, I want to give you a brief introduction to this scholarship. Basically, it is offered by Turkish government and it is a fully funded scholarship. Along with being fully funded, your chances in this scholarship are also higher because this is a scholarship where you can apply to 12 universities at a time, which is a very large number. This means you submit one application and on the basis of that single application, you can apply to 12 Turkish universities. Now let's talk about the benefits of this scholarship. This scholarship provides university and department placement. It covers full tuition fees, allow you to learn the one-year Turkish language course, provides accommodation for students, covers your once-off flight ticket, allow you to take full advantage of widespread health services with general health insurance, and also provides monthly stipend 4,500 TL for associate and bachelor level, and 6,500 for master's level, and 9,000 for PhD level per month. So here you can see all the benefits. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. First, minimum academic achievement 70% for bachelor's degree, 75% for master's candidates, and 90% for health sciences candidates. Age criteria is 21 years for bachelor programs, 30 years for master's program, and 35 years for PhD programs. For research scholarship, being under the age of 50. Eligible group citizens of all countries, graduate or those who will graduate at the end of the current academic year, researchers and academics. And then ineligible groups are Turkish citizens, individuals who are currently enrolled in programs in Turkish universities at the level of education. Now let's move to the application process. First of all, you need to go to the official website of Turkey Burslari Scholarship on Google. A page like this will open. Here is the option of application login. Click on this option. Well, if you don't have any account for this website, then click on register button. And by entering your details, you will get registered. So I have already an account for this scholarship. So I am clicking on login button. After logging in, a page like this will open. Here you have to fill all these steps one by one. First is personal information. So including your gender, marital status, date of birth, nationality, country of birth, city of birth, and then type of your ID. So you must have passport for this scholarship. If you don't have passport, so you can apply, but it is best to having passport. Then enter the details of the passport and scroll down. Next is information on hobbies. So you can edit from here. I have already started an application. So I have chosen book, computer, fine arts, food, travel, etc. Next is special talent information. And then you can edit from here. I have chosen sport, music in other, art, photography. So you have to fill all this information by yourself and should be accurate. After filling this field, move to the next step, contact information. Here you have to enter the contact details, your country, city, postal code, street, building number, door number, mobile phone, etc. Then move to the next point, family information. Here enter the detail of your mother name, and then your father name, then institution, father's occupation, number of siblings, and marital status. And you have to enter the total monthly income of your father. After filling this step accurately, move to the next point, education information. Here you have to enter the details of the education, your middle school information and your high school information. Fill them accurately. So here enter your information, your country, city, school name, status, start date and graduation date, and your grade type. After filling this, move to the next. Next is language details. Click on it. First of all, your native language. Choose your native language. I have chosen Urdu. Now other language skills. Add your other language skills. So in other language, you choose English. So if you have any certificate to prove this language, so add here. You can choose IELTS, TOEFL, which one you have. Then your date, grade, and document. File of your document, like IELTS test or TOEFL, etc. After filling this, move to the next part. Next is work experience. If you have any work experience, then add here. If you don't have any work experience, then leave this empty. And next is most important, your CV. You have to attach your CV here. From here, document. The CV is very important for your application, and remember your CV must be Europass CV, not like Word document, etc. A strong CV will make the higher chances of your acceptance. So make your CV good. Next part is academic qualification. So in academic qualification, if you have passed an exam, any of these, GRE, GMAT, SAT and ALES, so you can add here. Click on add. You can add exam name, your grade, country, exam date and the document of the exam. So next part is social activities. Here you can add any award, project or certificate if you have participated in any of these. So it will also make the higher chances of acceptance of your application. So must add any award or project or any certificate from here. Now move to the next, Turkey experience. If you have any Turkey experience, so you can add here. Are you in Turkey? Click on no. If you are not, are a member of an association of Turkey alumni? No. So all of these questions will be in negative because you are applying for a foreign scholarship. So after this, next is my applications. So here will be the detail of your application. So if, yet I have not entered anything, that's why it is empty. Now move to the home page. So here deadline for this scholarship is 20 Feb. So you have to apply before this deadline. Now you have to choose the degree you are applying for. Associate degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree or PhD, and then research. So I chose bachelor's degree. Undergraduate scholarship program, click on apply button. So you must add it to the high school information system to continue the application. Okay, add now. You have to enter the details of your high school as well. So here you have to enter your country, city, school name, educational stage, high school type, major field of your education, status, then grade. Oh well, now move to the home page. So now choose the degree of which you are applying for. So I am choosing bachelor's degree. Click on apply button. click on accept. So very first is application conditions. Click on it. Scroll down and must read the following instructions here, including your required documents, optional documents, and other information as well. After reading carefully, click on read and accept and click on save. Next one is preferences. In preference, you have to choose your program for which you are applying. So you can choose from here, clicking on add button, and then you can choose your program. Next and most important thing is letter of content. Click on it. Scroll down and read the text. So in this section, you have to explain the following details: your academic and social experiences relating the field you want to take in education, your reasons for choosing Turkey for study, and the importance of your future plans of your education and scholarship in Turkey. Remember, the letter must not be AI generated, not be copy paste from ChatGPT, because they have the tools to detect it. So write it by yourself. You can get it proofread, but it must be original. Next, you have to add additional item. If you have a subject in your application documents that you think is not clear enough and you want to explain, then you can enter here. After that, enter your reference information and then scholarship programs. And after filling all the fields, you can see the summary of the application. As I do not have completed these points, so I cannot open the summary of the application. So when you fill all the fields correctly, so you can open summary of application. After opening summary of application, you can check the details of your application and there will be the submit button as well. So you can submit their application in this way. So this is how you can apply for Turkey Burslari Scholarship. I have explained the complete application process so you can apply by yourself. Remember, the deadline for this scholarship is 20 Feb, so be quick and apply for this prestigious scholarship. I hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.